Hello, welcome to my today's session on bone graft used in dental surgery. I am a Dr. Hemant Bhavnerkar. I am a Mumbai-based oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Today we are going to see what are the different types of bone graft we use in oral surgery and dental surgery procedure. As we know, the main indication of bone graft is to preserve the bone and or to make the new bone. Right? Bone graft is a basically a bone substitute taken from human bone or from the other than human bodies, right? The different types of bone grafts are autologous bone graft, allograft, xenograft, and the alloplast. So let us see what are these different types of bone graft. Autologous bone graft is taken from the same patient or the same human person. Allografts are taken from other than human species, like from bovine origin. What are the xenograft? Xenograft are taken from the similar human like surgery or mostly in human bovine origin or the sheep origin. What is main difference between allograft and the xenograft? Allograft taken from the other humans and the xenograft are taken from other living species. This is the main difference. Then synthetic bone graft. Okay, let us see what is the autologous bone graft. In oral cavity, we take a mostly autologous bone graft from the mandible. These are the main 3 points where from we take the autologous bone graft. A symphysis manti, a anterior border of ramus, or the lateral side cortical site of the second and third molar region, and the coronoid process. In this clinical picture, we have harvested the cortical autologous bone graft from the buccal cortical bone from the buccal site of the second molar and the third molar region. Here, harvested bone graft is taken place, and this is used for the implant surgery or the other surgeries for the preservation of bone and the formation of new bone. Here, the bone graft is harvested from posterior mandible and anterior border of ramus. A cortical bone almost 2 centimeter is taken out and placed at the new molar site where we are planning for the implants. The autologous bone graft is secure with the two small 1.5 mm by 8 mm screw. It is considered as a gold standard of the bone graft. Here, a ring autologous bone graft is harvested from the anterior symphysis menti or the symphysis region of the mandible. The specific kind of trephine drills are used for harvesting such a ring bone graft. Then it is placed at the maxillary site where we are placing the implants. The next bone graft is a allograft. The allograft is taken from the cadaver, from the dead person's body. As it is from taken from dead person body, it need to be irradiated, or we should do all the viruses and the bacteria infection should be irradiated. The irradiation and the freeze dried bone procedure is done. This is a demineralized freeze dried bone allograft taken from the cadaver, and this is a sample of the DFDBA bone graft from the Tata Memorial Hospital's tissue bank. Mostly such a bone grafts are available in different tissue banks in our country. Then next, this is a types of a xenograft. Xenograft is taken from the other than human species, like from the pig or from the bovine origin. Here, the different kind of bone graft we are able to see in the same picture. In the image, A and B is the autologous bone graft, and the below there is a xenograft. Xenos is the one of the leading xenograft available in India. This is a commercial name of the xenograft available in India. The such a bone graft mostly having a osteoinductive, osteoconductive and osteogenetic properties, but all three properties are only present in autologous bone graft. Then let us see for the synthetic bone graft material. Such a mineralized synthetic bone graft materials are also commercially available. This allograft is available in market in different sizes and different particles. Then this is one of the leading brand bone graft synthetic available from the brand name Synthetic. It is available in a syringe, so we can able to put it at the bony defect or the socket preservation at the after the extraction site, so it is easy to put, so that's why it's very popular. Then what are the synthetic bone graft or the alloplast available? Mostly the alloplast is a composition of hydroxyapatite and tricalcium phosphate granules material. It is a mostly form a synthetic matrix bone matrix formation at the site of placement. This is a cheaper bone graft available compared to the other bone grafts. Then Cybograft, one of the synthetic nanocrystalline hydroxyapatite bone graft available in India. It's easily available at the different surgical materials suppliers. This is a very good bone graft used in different kind of periodontal defects also. As we know, the indication of bone graft are mostly used for the implant surgery. Here in these images, the width of the bone is less, so full thickness mucoperiosteal flap is reflected and the bone graft material is placed. After the bone graft, we have to close the surgical site and we have to wait for few days to months to form a new bone and the implant is placed. Here after the extraction, as we know, for the socket preservation and the we have to prevent the bone loss, we can put the immediate bone graft placement after the extraction, so we can put implants at this site without losing any natural bone in the patients. It is very helpful in such a conditions. Similar, after sometimes what happens, sometimes the bone width is very less and after placement of implants our some implant threads are exposed like in this image number 1. So in such cases we can put a synthetic bone graft and we can place a membrane over it, so a natural bone is formed at that region and our implant is saved. One of the major indication of bone graft is for the periodontal defects. Here a vertical and horizontal bone defect is healed after bone graft and the membrane is placed. In periodontal surgery, the bone graft having a vital role. After the some oral surgical procedure, after enucleation of pathology or the radicular cyst, also bone graft play a major role. So there is a in this case after enucleation of radicular cyst, we have put a demineralized freeze-dried bone graft. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more learning videos. Thank you.